Guys, um, this is my son, is Kelyu, and this I'm Kueda, and today I'm going to teach you on a self-defense. If you want to teach your kids or son or daughter to learn about self-defense, the first thing you must taught them is how to throw a punch like this one. You know how to throw a punch like this one? I'll throw a punch like this one. Now, just face in front of here and then like this one, then throw. Okay? Yes, like this one. Put your hand here. This is for the basic. And then throw the punch here, like this one. One, straight towards, and then the other two. Okay? Alternate three. Okay, do it by yourself. Go. One, two, like that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and the other side. Okay, here. Side here. Okay. Yeah, like this one. Okay. Okay, so we're able to see them on how you throw a uh, punch. Okay, go. Punch, go. Hard. Punch harder. Go. Like this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, did you see my son is don't know how to throw a punch because he's wiggling his hand like no power. So this is the goal uh, where I'm going to teach my son for the first time on how to throw a hard punch by teaching him every day on how to throw a punch harder like so. Okay, so if you have a kids or son or daughter, and then if you want to teach them on how to learn for the self-defense to protect themselves from other, so you must teach them how to throw a punch first, and then later on, yeah, you will find out that your son or your kids know how to throw a punch. Okay, like this one. Okay, put your arms like this one. Stand still. Open your legs like this. Open your legs, and then put your hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay, guys. I'm going to focus on my sons to give my best to teach him on body strengthening and then self development. So if you like to follow our YouTube channel, you can follow the Kelyu. Kelyu, yeah, this is my son named Kelyu, and his YouTube channel is Kelyu. You can follow it as so. Later on, we can have a progress. You can see our progress how to strengthen the body of your kids, and then and give you some ideas on how to do it, a basic step like that. Okay, give me a throw punch like that. Harder, harder punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this is my son Kelyu, and I'm Kuya. Peace out, guys.